Okay, so we're here, we're on break. That's pretty much it. See you guys later. Bye. Hi everybody, evening here. We out of school. This is my group. Everybody, Lakiva. We have Lakiva on the right. We have Lana on the left. And everybody, we out of school now. Hopefully we'll get our goal. We'll get done. So pretty much we about to walk home in the cold. It's about.
I live across the street, but it's very cold outside. I have on a couple layers.
Right.
Like 4.
Look at mine.
I'm going home to my daughter.
See? Look at that. Everybody getting rides, calling rides because it's freezing. Okay. It's probably cold where you at, so bundle up. Make sure you get out of the cold before you die. I mean, before you freeze. Okay.
Yeah, I feel like the Elsa from Frozen is around. She's like,
go.
yeah.
I forgot.
Well, I feel like her sister. I want to build a snowman, but then again, I don't. So I'm going to go knock on my neighbor's door like, do you want to build a snowman?